Oh, 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 oh. Mama, mama, mama,
Yes.
mama. Mama, 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 mama.
Good. At least you know what to adjust now. That's really good.
Mama, 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 mama.
Perfect.
Mama, 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 mama.
So clean.
Mama, 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 mama.
How did that feel to you? Have you ever gone up this high with weight?
No. I've never done that out before. Every time you tell me that, I'm just like, I did a what?
If you're someone who feels like you have to constantly work for your higher notes, this video is for you. Now, whilst we do need to engage a bit more musculature as we go up higher, the problem for most singers is in that split second of going higher, do you grip onto the muscles that actually help you change pitch, that stretch and thin out the vocal folds? Or do you grip onto something else entirely? Extra air, extra volume, maybe even things like jaw and tongue tension, things that aren't needed to begin with. And this single difference can be the reason why one singer can feel and sound free, whilst another singer feels like they're fighting for every note. And so in today's lesson, I'll work through this exact issue with a student who felt like he was constantly punching to get to his higher notes. And this is when we uncovered a simple shift in how he approached his upper range.
Whenever getting up to that top note, there's this like jump that I feel like that I'm doing, and it feels like I'm just like pulling this arrow way back, maybe more than I need to, or like not enough, but it still feels like just this like punch I'm trying to do. Like maybe straining is maybe too strong of a word, but it feels like there's a little bit of tension. I don't know if clenching is quite the right word, but there's just something tense about getting up there.
Okay, yeah. Let's see what we're dealing with. But basically the idea when you're kind of working through your scales, like the root of all kind of like things is, can I just change pitch? Right? And maybe sometimes even as we are doing it externally, these internal muscles are working. There's still other muscles clamping down, but you generally still want to work towards like, how do I just change pitch? Don't have to get louder, don't have to open the mouth to kind of get them. Because that at least gets you feeling the stretch a bit more. Try it again here. Aim for that kind of same kind of feeling, but maybe we'll kind of explore what's going on with that kind of tightening.
Okay. Oh, 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 oh.
Nice.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yep.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah. Keep the mouth a little bit more stable.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yep.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, nice. But what if you go to a no?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Yeah, that's very clean. Nice.
No, 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 no.
Yes, there's a little bit of kind of brace on that top one. Kind of like the one you had before. The one before was really clean and smooth.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, nice. There.
No, 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 no.
Did you feel like there's a bit of punch there? Like,
I felt like, yeah, a little bit at the top still. I'm not sure
Yeah,
why. It
that
feels
top.
like there's this part in my range that is just like, from here on up, I'm going to punch.
That's okay. It's pretty good like as it is, but I think I'm starting to hear what's going on. It's just literally like no, 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 no. It's just like a little small kind of like extra bit of air, bit of volume. But it's we just gotta train it up. Like it's not really needed. But down low though, what's cool is you don't do it. So if anything, kind of like the closure and volume is already done. Like when you kind of start off here, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. If anything, try this right. Just kind of get a little bit slurry. I want you to treat it as like more like a little slide than you're like hitting individual kind of notes. No, 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 no. If you just kind of get a bit scoopy like that, that's completely fine because we're just trying to highlight that is not really part. It's not needed. You already have enough closure.
Okay.
Yep.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, come here. No, 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 no. Do like that. Do this little. No, 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 no. Do that little scoop.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Yeah, I think we're onto something. Let's try it again.
No, no. No, 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 no.
Yeah, close. Like you want to. Oh, try this down low. Oh.
Oh.
That's the feeling you need up top.
Okay.
No, 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 no. That little scoop is what's going to allow you to just stretch, basically.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Closer, you can be less of a builder. You don't need that end part.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Yes, something like that. We'll see if we can keep refining it.
No, 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 no.
Yes, just explore this for a moment. But basically, the more you can shift towards that scoop versus that, that's kind of redirecting the grip to stretch, not so much like closure.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, so that's clean stretch.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Good. Do you feel that punchier?
It doesn't feel punchier when I'm doing that. No.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
No. Yeah, so when you go no, 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 you need to overlay over that feeling. So behind the nose is this feeling like slowly scooping up. Now, we can kind of slowly refine that, like where it's more precise. But here, just slow your way through. So kind of now, so you can get a bit of like a no on the top, but slow through it. No, 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 no. Just kind of still speak through it. Like you still got to hit the ends, right? You can't just skip it. But see if you can get that slurry, that scoopy feeling behind.
Okay. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, get that no on the top. It's good though.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Beautiful. And notice the tone there. It sounds so good. How does this feel? Is this different to how you approach it on your own?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, just 5 minutes ago, yeah, totally different. Definitely going to try to incorporate this a little more during the exercises.
Yeah. Good. So I think this is going to be the big week. So scoop is going to be your friend here because, in a sense, that is technique, right? When you're scooping, you're hanging on to closure and stretching. Hanging on to closure and stretching. So you're not really fiddling with closure there. And if anything, that's kind of the purpose of like, when we go, that part is actually, you're not really focusing so much on, like trying to hit closure. That is part of it. But really, it's like you bring the closure like how you do down low and then you scoop to it. So let's come back to that exercise real quick. With this new lens though, it's like the closure part's a simple part. Like that's easy. What you need to focus on is can I keep scooping higher and higher with that kind of tap.
Okay.
Yep.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, do do that with that other scale, the taps and scoops with the all vowel. Yep. scoop.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh,
Yeah.
oh, 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 oh.
Don't change the vowel.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Wonderful.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, take your time. Don't need to rush the scoop.
Okay.
You got more space than you think.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, go back to the no. Real quick.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, so the no is a bit better because it gives you a bit of a helping hand. Basically, if you want to get to those G's and F sharps a bit cleaner, like the more you can take time with that scoop and like almost like trust that like it will work. Because right now it's just a little bit of like panic that kind of kicks in, where you want to speed it up and then like go fall back to old habits. Because you know that if you kind of do the scoop, it might kind of like shake or like lose control. But you're gonna want to stay here for a bit.
Okay.
Scoop
Sorry, on the nose or the O's?
on the nose for now. They're a bit stronger.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, get on the all vowel now. Same thing.
Oh, 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 oh.
Way cleaner. Yes. No.
No, 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 no.
Nice. All.
Oh, 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 oh.
Nice. How does this feel so far, Dylan?
It feels good, yeah. I think the punchy probably has something to do with the excess tension because I think I'm probably just trying to like pop the note, and I
Yes.
think now slowing this down and scooping into it is allowing a little more freedom into it.
Good. So definitely made like you don't have to scoop every single note, but this is it's really just kind of slowing down the motion a bit more for you to kind of see. But generally, when you're doing these scales, you basically have enough closure and like the right amount of airflow for the first few notes. So really, to get higher, you don't really need to change that part anymore. It's more or less that little scoop. That scoop is like this kind of happening. So it kind of just simplifies the scale a little bit more.
Okay.
Now the challenge is then kind of going back to something more like singing and more quick, but having that underlying feeling. So you might even go like like kind of do two back to back. One's very scoopy to kind of get to the note, show you the feeling. Then the other one going back to more like, yes, you are hitting these notes individually, but with that muscle memory.
Okay.
Basically a bit faster the second one is
Yeah.
probably more than enough. Yeah.
Okay. That sounds good.
Yep.
On a mum.
Yeah, let's do the mum for now. Yeah.
Mum, 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 mum.
Yeah, something like that. Just take your time with this.
Mum, 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 mum.
Yes.
Mum, 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 mum.
Good.
Mum, 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 mum.
So clean.
Mum, 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 mum.
Get that bit clean up first.
Mum, 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 mum.
So that needs a bit more stretch in the second one.
Mum 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 mum.
Good.
Mum 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 mum.
Well done.
Mum 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 mum.
Very good. So as you go higher, you probably need to start scooping earlier.
Okay.
Because we're getting quite up to we're getting to the A's now.
Mum 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 mum. One more time.
Nice. Yeah, that's it.
Mum 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 mum.
Yes.
Mama. Mama 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 mama.
So the second one's cleaner actually. It's just the first one reveals more of like that kind of like how detailed is the technique. The second one's faster, so it's gonna pop out easier. So I mean, like this is really solid.
Mama 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 mama.
Ready? Not far, not far. The last one.
Mama. Sorry, one more time. Mama, mama, mama,
Trust the scoop.
mama, mama, mama.
Yeah, it's not far. Okay, come down, come down. Just do the second one now, the fast one.
Okay. Mama, 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 mama.
Yes.
Mama, 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 mama.
Good. At least you know what to adjust now. That's really good.
Mama, 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 mama.
Perfect.
Mama, 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 mama.
So clean.
Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama.
Nice.
Mama, 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 mama.
Nice.
Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama.
Last one.
Mama, 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 mama.
Beautiful. Nice. So you took some good way all the way up to the A's and the B flats there. We actually went to the C today. Didn't quite get the C, but then everything else was like very, very workable.
Okay.
How did that feel to you? Have you ever gone up this high? Wait,
No. I've never done that out before. Every time you tell me that, I'm just like, I did a what?
yeah, it's really impressive. And like, what's cool is like, I know the slow ones.